Hello guys, and today I'll be making a tutorial about anvils. So, you make an anvil by using 3 iron blocks and 4 iron ingots. You can craft it this way. So, anvils are used to repair items, to rename items, and to combine enchantments for items. So if I take this over here, I will show you now. As you see, this diamond sword is broken, and this diamond sword will repair it. It will cost enchantment levels. So the cost is 19 enchantment levels, and I repaired it. Okay, you can repair items with anvils. You can also combine items that are enchanted to get better enchantments. For example, this has a sharpness 3 on it, this has a sharpness 3. I combine 2 sharpness 3 swords and I get a sharpness 4 sword. So you can also repair enchanted items. For example, this sharpness 2 sword over here, I want to repair it with a sharpness 4 sword. I get a sharpness 4 sword though. So if I want to get a sharpness 5 sword and I place a sharpness 2 and a sharpness 4 sword, I will get sharpness 4. But if I place a sharpness 4 and a sharpness 4 sword, I will get sharpness 5. Same goes if I place a sharpness 2 and a sharpness 1 sword. I will get a sharpness 2, not a sharpness 3 sword. Same goes with efficiency or fortune. But if you want to repair 2 swords, for example, I got a stone sword here and I want to repair it with a wood sword, I will not be able to repair it since I need to repair it with the material it's made of. So if I want to repair a stone sword, I would have to use stone instead of wood. Okay, let's place this back in the chest, and now I'll give more examples of how to repair items here. Okay, I want to repair an iron sword. Okay, so I place an iron ingot in there and it repairs with the cost of 3 levels. This is the only exception. You cannot repair a bow with string or sticks. You can only repair it with another bow. Now, note that the amount of experience required to repair an item is increased by how damaged the tool is and how much more stuff you add to repair it. For an example, it costs 3 levels to repair a nearly broken axe with 1 wooden plank. It will cost 4 levels to repair with 2 wooden planks, so it rises up. The bar rises up. If I put 3 planks, it is almost it's almost fully repaired, and it will cost 5 levels. So the more I put in there, the more repaired it becomes. I can also repair enchanted items this way. It will still cost more though, because it is enchanted. And if I put more, it will fully repair it. Although you cannot repair holes. You cannot repair holes. Okay, slimes here. Just switch to peaceful so I can get rid of the slimes. So if I would like to repair a stone pickaxe, I will have to use cobblestone. Okay, let's put this back in the chest. You can also get items enchanted with enchanted books. Enchanted books are found in dungeons, or you can get a normal book and go to an enchantment table and enchant the book, and you can get a random enchantment. You'll get an enchanted book with an enchantment. So you put an item in the anvil and you put an enchanted book, and then you get an enchanted item. The item is now enchanted with the enchantment that the book has. It will also cost levels. So if I want a Smite 5 sword, I would get a Smite 5 enchanted book, and I will enchant it. Moving on next, you can use a lot of enchantments on this. So you can combine books. You can combine books together to get a better enchanted book, like a higher enchanted book. And afterwards you can enchant it again with another enchant. You can combine two enchanted books and get a multiple enchanted book, and afterwards you can get that multiple enchanted book to enchant it with another book, and you get more enchantments. So an enchanted book, here we have one enchanted book with 3 enchantments, and I put an iron pickaxe and it enchants it with the enchantments that this book has. Although if I had protection or sharpness on this book, it will not enchant the pickaxe with protection or sharpness, except if you are on creative mode, which I'm going to show in a minute. You can also okay, you can also rename spawner eggs. And when you spawn, it will have a name tag above with the name that you have given the egg while enchanting, not enchanting, renaming it. Okay. You can also rename normal items like cobblestone, and in creative mode, only in creative mode you can enchant whatever item you want, however you want. For example, I will enchant this cobblestone with fortune free, unbreaking free, and all of these enchantments. And of course it will still have its effect. It will still have an effect of all the enchantments I have added. So we have fortune free, unbreaking free, sharpness 5. Sharpness 5, let's hit a pig. I also have fire aspect 2, have efficiency 5. Let's try and break one of these. Will it make a bigger difference? Maybe not. Let's just break grass. Also, I don't think it has... Do I have efficiency? Yes, I do. That's strange. Although, if you place it and you mine it, you'll just get a normal cobblestone block. Okay. So, the next thing is that you can use anvils as weapons. Here I will demonstrate. I'll put a zombie pigman which ran away, apparently. Get back in there. Come on. No, over here. Okay. I'll just get a pig. And if you drop an anvil on it, it will hurt him. Depending on the height, it'll hurt him more, although there is an anvil in the way, so if you put it up really high, it will kill it. If you put it low, then it will only hurt the pig, and depending on how high it drops, it will get damaged. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later.